Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you returned. Today I'm cooking, as per usual, because I always cook. But today it's a little bit different. I'm doing a meal prep. I'm prepping my breakfast meals for this week, for my work week. You all know that I work from home and you know that I'm still in the workforce. I may be a Memaw, but I'm still working. And sometimes it's hard to plan those meals the way I should and eat the way I should. So I want to do a little story time as well while I'm cooking and let you in on why I eat the way I eat, and a keto-based diet is what I eat. So let's get to cooking. I'm going to show you my ingredients and I'll see you in a minute. So the first thing that we'll be fixing are egg cups, and here are the ingredients we'll be using. You'll want to use non-starchy vegetables, cheese, eggs, and I actually don't have my sour cream out here, but I use sour cream and cream cheese to make my eggs nice and fluffy. Okay, so while I go ahead and prep these veggies, let me tell you my story. Back in 2009, I was diagnosed with thyroid cancer. A malfunctioning thyroid caused me to gain a lot of weight. I had hair loss, I had a foggy brain, really tired, and not to mention that my attitude was fluctuating, as poor people. Okay, so once they removed the thyroid, those issues were cleared up after they got all of my medication regulated. Well, because I had gained so much weight, I was now battling hypertension, high cholesterol, and the diagnosis of pre-diabetes, which meant I wasn't quite diabetic, but I was really close to it. So I decided then, wait a minute, I got to do something. Something has to change. So after much prayer and research, I landed on the keto diet. So the keto diet, if you don't know, is a diet that is very low carbohydrates. Actually, if you're going to do a keto diet, it is no carbohydrates, no breads, no rice, no potatoes, no corn, those kinds of things. There are certain vegetables that you're not eating. Well, I eat a modified keto diet or a paleo diet or Atkins diet from way back in the day. Go look all of that up. That's what we're talking about. Eating those good clean vegetables, meats, and not many carbohydrates. As a result, I lost 60 pounds. Yay! I'm glad that I lost the 60 pounds, but then here comes COVID. COVID ran up and put all of us in the house, and what was I doing? Baking and gaining weight. So, I did gain about 10 pounds back, but as a result, now I'm eating a modified keto diet, which may include beans or potatoes or a brown rice, something like that, but not the bread and the white rice and that kind of stuff. I find that I feel better when I eat this way, and I need to be around for my husband and my family, so I want to feel good while I'm being around and while I'm here. So, because I'm eating this way, I know that I have to prepare myself, and that's what I'm doing today. Otherwise, I'll eat some crazy stuff during the course of the day. When I'm in the middle of a meeting or just going into a meeting, I'll grab something. But this way, I can grab something that's good. So, in my measuring cup, I am cracking 5 eggs. And those 5 eggs, I will scramble. Then I'll add all the good stuff. A few years ago, someone told me, a friend of mine who was a good cook, told me to add sour cream to my eggs when I scrambled them to make them fluffy. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I'll add a little garlic salt. Ari thought I added too much, but that was just enough for 5 eggs. You'll put as much in as what you like for your taste. That's what I wanted. I forgot to put pepper in, so I'm adding the pepper, and now I'm going to whisk it just a little bit to get that pepper incorporated. Okay, now it's time to assemble our egg bites. I'll start by pouring a little egg mixture in each one of the cups. Then I'll add all of my ingredients, all of my toppings, if you will, to each of the cups to suit myself. I have some bacon, some crab meat, some of that fake crab meat, some green pepper, zucchini, mushrooms, and my cheeses. I actually have 3 different types of cheese. I have mozzarella, cheddar, and cream cheese. The cream cheese really makes the egg bite very much like, and I call it an egg bite because that's what they call it over at Starbucks. But my egg cups, it really makes it very close to what is served at Starbucks because it makes it creamy. So I'm gonna stop talking and let you enjoy me putting my mushrooms and stuff in. Now they're ready to go into a 350-degree oven, and they will bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Now, while those are baking, we're going to make us some chia pudding. I make this with almond milk, chia seeds, vanilla, and I put it in a quart jar. So let's go ahead and mix that up. The chia pudding can be eaten for dessert or for breakfast, and I usually eat mine for breakfast. And I'll use this quart jar. I'll divide that in half and have 2 breakfasts within this quart jar. Now, once you put the Splenda in and you'll put the vanilla in, I usually mix that up a little bit. After that, I can go ahead and put my chia seeds in. Now, the chia seeds will settle at the bottom if you don't stir it and then stir it again. So I usually put my chia seeds in, and I put about 1/4 cup of chia seeds into this 2-quart amount of almond milk. And I'll stir it up the first time. Put it in the refrigerator. I'll go back again and stir it again because now the chia seeds are starting to break open and become thicker. When I get ready to serve it, I will pour it into a bowl and serve it with nuts, usually pecans, chopped pecans, and strawberries and blueberries. So now this is ready to go into the refrigerator. Okay, so the egg bites are ready and they look wonderful. I store all of the egg bites in one container, and then I will go in on a daily basis because I don't eat the egg bites every day, but if I go in and I want egg bites for tomorrow, I'll have them right here, and I'll do a serving of 2 egg bites per meal, usually with avocado or a salad or some fruit. So I'm going to store my egg bites in the refrigerator, and they usually store for about a week. Okay, y'all, so my egg bites are done and my chia pudding is done. The chia pudding has to congeal or get puddingy. Those chia seeds will start to break loose in the almond milk, and it will make it nice and like a pudding. So when I get ready to eat it, I'll pour half of that jar out into a bowl, put some berries on it, some nuts, and it is delicious. You see, I use Splenda because Splenda is okay with the keto diet. And I'm trying to make sure that my glucose intake is low. So, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you want more keto recipes, I can certainly do that. And I'll be sharing more anyway because that's the way I'm cooking. So, y'all be blessed. Bye. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you use this recipe or you try this recipe, please reach out to me and let me know that you've tried it. And I hope that your keto journey is going well, and I hope that you come back to see us. Y'all be blessed. Bye.